Hey there, Business 10 students. This is Mr. Doucette. This is week number 6 of our 8-week course, Introduction to Business, here at Norco College. And we are ending pretty quick here. This is week 6. So we have week 6, which is a full week worth of work. We have week 7, which is also a full week worth of work. And then we have week 8, which in this case, it's only an 8-week class. We do have a full week of work and the final exam that you'll be doing on week 8. But this week we're going to be considering chapters 15 and 16. So we're still in our marketing topic for one more week, and we're going to be looking at the distribution or the placement and the promotion piece of the 4 P's of marketing. If you remember from last week, we looked at the 4 P's of marketing, which is product and price, and we considered those last week. This week we're looking at placement and promotions, the other 2 of the 4 P's of the marketing mix. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Here I am on our course homepage, and I'm going to come down here and select Module 3. Again, this is the 2nd week of Module 3, and this is a 4-module class. Every module is 2 weeks long. So now we're in the 2nd module, or 2nd week of Module number 3, and that means that we will have an exam, our 3rd exam, as well as we have the discussion post ending. So right now you should be working on the discussion post on How Leaders Inspire Action by Simon Sinek. It's really the question why. Why do we do what we do? And I promise you'll really enjoy that TED Talk, as well as you'll be referring back to it from years to come from now. But this week, you're going to be looking at 15 and 16, so I have given you the PowerPoints. There is a check-in assignment on those chapters. There's 2 questions for each chapter, I believe. Then you have a homework assignment, and this is just asking you to think about a product distribution strategy. So just think of something that you've purchased, and then ask yourself the question, how did it get here to where I bought it? So I ask you, what did you buy, where did you buy it, and how did it get there? And I want you to do a little research. I expect to see a little bit of research, like where was the product made? If it was made by the company that you bought it from, that's probably easy, but what city was it made in? If it's Walmart and you bought something at Walmart and it's a toaster, well, who made the toaster and where was it made? That kind of research, I want you to tell me where it was made and how it got to Walmart as best you can. So that's what the homework assignment is. And then, of course, you don't have any quiz this week because we do have the exam number 3, as I mentioned. So make sure you complete that this week. Starting next week, we're going to be going into our final module, and that'll be looking at finances. So we'll be covering Chapter 2 on economics, Chapter 17 on financial management, and then I think our last chapter we'll be looking at is 18 and 19 that deal with how we handle money as well as investments, things like that, and that'll end out our class. So that's it for this week. This is, again, week 6, and we have this week and